so many facilities in my laptop. I can watch movie, I can play games, I can do study, I can do everything whatever I want in laptop.
Hello everyone. Today I am sitting here on the behalf of Insight Academy. Today I am going to have a debate with Kanak Didi and the all team members. So our topic is mobile phone and computer, and I will speak on the behalf of computer, and her topic is mobile phone. So let's start.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshi. Today I am sitting here on the behalf of Insight Academy. Today our topic is mobile phone, and these are my team members, and we are going to have a debate with opposition team, and that is Azan's team. So let's see who will win.
So I have a question for you.
Okay.
If there is no internet in your phone, what can you do in your phone?
If in my phone, how can you say that in my phone if there is no internet? So how can you say?
Suppose if there is no internet, because in my mother's phone there also has not internet.
So I will put my phone on my bed.
What can you do in your phone?
In my phone, I can't do anything because if
And
there is no internet.
And in laptop we can do editing, we can click photos, we can share the
You
things.
are asking in this way, so we can also do lots of things by phone, through the phone, like we can play game, like download.
If
You can
there
say
is no internet, so how will you download the games, or how will you play?
through the Wi-Fi. In my home, there is Wi-Fi. Okay, I wanna ask something to you, that you chose laptop. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so how will you operate? I know that you know how to operate laptop, but I wanna ask that how will you operate without network? Because you did not choose a phone, and with phone on you can on data, and then you can connect with.
In a laptop there is a power button. Firstly we have to click the power button, and we can do anything in.
I'm
Suppose
asking.
if you have to practice for coding and typing, so how will you do? In your phone there is a small keyboard, and this is virtual, and there is a physical keyboard. So how can you say that we cannot do anything, and we can do editing also?
But I'm asking without internet. I'm not asking like I will put internet like.
I also have Wi-Fi. Our computer is not like phone.
Okay. So my next question is that okay. But without phone, you can't shoot the video like sir. Sir has a laptop, but uh, still, he's recording the video by phone.
Okay.
So how will you record? But
So-
some laptops has a camera, but not front camera. So what? Rear camera. Sorry.
Uh, Firstly, tell me a name of a gamer. Means, do you know who is techno gamers?
Which I don't
Any
know.
means any gamer.
I don't know about any game. Like any game, Ludo. Like which?
So what do you watch on YouTube?
I watch reels only, and
Give mic to the Manish.
why? I'm
Because-
talking with you.
Because
Why are you
he
talking?
know how to. He knows who is techno gamers. So I have a question for you.
But he didn't know that today's debate. So no, he don't know. He does not know. Sorry.
The 80% population in our India they watch techno gamers, and he's a famous gamer, and
But I am not in population. In that population.
he plays the game in the PC.
But I am talking
And-
about myself. I am not talking about. And as you said that, what is? Manish knows how to. What did you say about game? But he knows. But I don't know. You are talking about me.
Okay. So what is your question? What is your question?
My question is that how will you record the video? Still, like sir.
By
Sir has a sir has a laptop, but still. Yeah.
We can shoot video with the help of camera.
But I said to you that in your house maybe there is a laptop. Yes.
Yeah, there is laptop.
Okay. So
In my
how?
home, there is also a camera, man. For a
I'm talking
information.
about laptop cameras.
You said that if you have to record a video, so how will you record?
Yeah.
I can
But
record
I'm
with the
not
help of
talking
camera.
about like whoa, that camera. I'm talking about laptop's camera.
No, that is also right.
Also,
Okay, let me think.
would you like to say anyone?
Because I have answer. Why do sometimes ago I will give you answer. Okay. So in computer there is not back camera because some children make to the reels, that's why. And or my and us mind we will get failed in exam, and anyone know that after getting fail in exam, anyone know.
Maybe you want to say that if a laptop has a camera, so children is not able to shoot video. Yeah,
Okay.
you want to say that.
Yes.
So you also maybe record. Sorry, you also upload the video in YouTube. I saw many time. Why did you use phone that time?
I don't know. I used to the games video. I don't use that camera. I use only games
No,
video.
you shoot this type of video like dance. I saw.
No.
I saw
How
in
is-
Pooja Didi's phone.
No, in this not Ananas has channel. I don't have any kind of channel. I only play game.
Okay, let's.
Okay. I have question for you. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, means you are in a you have stuck in the problem, you have stuck in the any kind of problem. So then what will you do? And you have to call someone. So then what will you do? You will use laptop or mobile.
Because this is not made that time. Because sometimes fraud calls comes in mind, and some children do not know that thing. That's why in laptop there is no that thing.
What are you saying?
We also can do chatting on laptop, and absolutely I have a PC, so I can chat for my friends, for online classes, for on computer.
We can we can do that thing in phone also.
So what? So on also on laptop. What is your question?
My question was that if you stuck in any kind of problem, so then what will you do? And you need phone, but why will you will use laptop or phone? Tell me.
You are saying that I need phone, so I
But okay, you need phone, and you will choose phone. So why did you choose laptop? Laptop side. Tell me.
sorry I do not have answer for this question.
Who is going to defend him? You will defend him? Who will defend him?
Okay, so if you buy a phone and you don't have SIM.
After purchasing phone, I will purchase SIM.
You will have SIM, but some phones. Wait. Screen. Yeah. Laptops have large screens and small.
But there is not SIM.
But I am not asking for SIM.
So
And phones have small
phone has
phones has small screens, but in phones we cannot see. In phone we can don't edit properly, but in laptop we can edit properly.
you talking about editing.
Yeah, I am talking about editing.
If you're talking about if you talk, do you have any answer? You are talking about editing, so we can edit in also phone.
But in phone, phone sometimes lags. Phone lag, lag, hangs. Yeah. But in lap,
But in phone, but in phone, but in phone we can edit easily. But in phone we can edit easily.
but phone sometime hangs, and laptop don't hangs that much. Uh, Laptop don't hangs.
Do you know?
We can edit from
Do you
laptop
not
also.
know about iPhone?
I know about iPhone.
You are saying that phone phone hangs.
Do you know sir also has a laptop for editing?
Yeah.
So always edit by the help with the help of laptop.
Can you
Don't tell I have seen you so many times.
can you put a laptop in your pocket?
I can put my laptop in my bag. I can put my laptop in my bag. What is the need? Whenever we buy laptop, so shopkeeper provides us bag. For what? For putting. Do you not know about that? Oh, you are in the side of phone, that's why you don't have any kind of knowledge about laptop. You should know about that.
You don't know there is so many new features in laptop that you can't do in phone. Don't you know there is so many new features in laptop that you can't do in phone?
No, I don't know because I am from phone. You are from laptop, so you should have known when laptop launched.
You don't know.
You know?
Do you know when phone discovered?
Yes, I know.
Tell me.
In 1973. In 1973, if you are from laptop, so you should have known now.
I have known.
When laptop
1951.
in 1981, not 1951. Computer launched in 1981.
Okay, so what?
So
But after before this debate, you were searching from phone. Why are you saying? Yeah, phones are not allowed. You were searching from phone. But early laptops were larger than a room. Yeah, larger than room.
He is saying that in the past the computer used to be so large, like the room No, like the house. He's that is very big computer, and it was very warm, so we need AC, and you and your phone is and your phone has so small screen, and in a laptop there is a big screen. We can watch easily in the computer, and in a phone we cannot watch
What do you want to
properly.
say? You want to say computer has large screen and phone does not have large screen.
Yes.
But you don't know. If you can watch movie from large screen, your eyes will damage.
So if in
If you will watch in phone,
in computer we are comfortable, so how will you become blind in a
I'm
phone?
not
We are
comfortable. I'm not comfortable watch movie in laptop.
Do you know if you watch movie in a small screen, then your eye will get damaged also? I think you don't have knowledge about that.
I knowledge.
You have
I
knowledge.
have knowledge.
You have knowledge. So why did you say that if we watch movie in a large screen that our eye will get damaged?
Because laptop has big screen, that's why our damage.
So you know phone has a small screen, and if we are not able to see anything, so our eye will get damaged. Do you know or
So
not?
how many laptops do you have?
I have one laptop.
How many phones do you have?
2.
Why do you have 2 phones? If a laptop is more important than phone, so you should have had a more laptop. So
Yes,
why
sir.
do you not have? It means phone is important than laptop. It's not in a day. How many times do you operate your laptop?
I always operate laptop. I don't operate phone.
Okay. Do you have your school group?
Yes, I have. And I opened my school group in my laptop also. Do you not know? You don't live in my home. That's why you don't know.
Suppose when your group was made, so what was your teacher saying? Can you give
My
your
teacher-
laptop number? Your teacher.
Wait. Okay. Do you
Your
know?
teacher
do you
was
know
saying that
why-
can you
okay.
give your mobile number? I have to join group. Your teacher doesn't say that, na. Can you give your laptop number? I have to
Okay,
join
I got the
your
point.
group.
When COVID was going on, and there are so many students that bought a laptop because of studying.
Every student
Because
doesn't
let me
have
complete, ma'am. Let me complete. You are not giving me a time. Why are you shouting on me? Let me complete my sentence. Okay, what was my question? Yeah, while COVID, there are so many people. There were so many students. They bought a laptop because there are so many features in laptop. That's why. I bought laptop because there are so many features in laptop, and I always taken classes in my laptop because in phone I'm not able to see anything. My eyes was get damaged.
Okay, you are ज्यादा पैसे को क्या कहते हैं सर? ज्यादा पैसे. You have bulk of money. That's why you have laptop. Every students
Let me
have bulk of money.
Okay. So do you know if we want any kind of feature, so we want to provide some money. If you want to watch a movie, so you can watch movie at your home.
But I don't want to watch.
Let me complete, ma'am. Let me complete. Why are you hyper? Getting hyper. If you have, why do you go?
Computer.
I have
question. We can use phone at the place of remote. We can use phone at place of remote for operating TV. So in laptop we can't use.
You are saying that we can use remote for TV or mobile. You are saying that computer has a keyboard. We can operate by keyboard, not remote.
I'm not talking about keyboard.
Firstly, we don't need a TV. If we have a large screen, if we have so many facilities, why do we go on TV?
If you wanna watch in TV,
Why do I want to watch? Why do I want to watch if I have so many facilities in my laptop? I can watch movie, I can play
Laptop has
games,
a
I can
limited
do
screen.
study, I can do everything whatever I want in laptop. What without? I have Wi-Fi. As she said that in my home there is a Wi-Fi, and also in my home there is a Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connection installed on the
Sir, firstly don't say anything because you are not You are giving so many points, sir. And whenever I said to you and you said to me, I'm not giving. It's a type of cheating, man. Okay.
What?
I have to ask.
Yes.
Okay. So do you know whenever you want to operate so many things in phone, so you can't operate. If
Don't you go for companies यार तुम बेसिक सी बातें
I'm not going on company, I'm not going on company.
कंपनी पे जाओ मैं ये कह रहा हूँ अपने काम होते हैं किसी घर पे होते हैं
Let me have a question.
I want to ask questions to you.
Firstly, let me complete, ma'am.
Okay, please.
If in laptop we can open so many tabs, do you know?
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
we can open so many apps
In phone also we can open so many apps also.
But you know, in phone there is a small screen and we are not able to see so many tabs. But in laptop there is a big screen and we can see so many tabs. And if we have to open any screen, so we can control +1 to any kind of button and we can open another tab. But in phone we don't have a spare. Our eyes will get damaged. That's why we don't do and we don't open. And if we do this, then phone will hang. Do you know or not?
yes,
I think you don't know. I think you don't know because you are not in the.
I know that.
Okay.
I know that.
You know.
First of all, as you said that in the laptop there is a lot of facilities,
Yeah.
but in phone also
I'm not saying that there is no facility.
I'm saying my answer.
But as
I'm saying
compared to
my answer.
laptop, as compared to laptop. Let her complete. Sir, but nothing I can't say.
In phone also there is a lot of facilities. If you want to do something, if you have to shoot the video on Instagram, we can shoot the video in Instagram phone also. I know that we can shoot the video in laptop
keep
also.
on going on camera. I have said that I don't have answer of the camera. You are keep on going on camera.
So why do you not have?
You
can't make
also.
call this laptop you can't make call
You can't pay call in
So many
in
points.
And you also.
And you are not a part of this team, sir. It's a type of cheating.
Okay.
not elaborate this ना ये एक अकेला एक सबसे भारी पड़ता
Okay. If you need 1 minute.
I said that I don't have answer. And when I asked you about screen, and you said that I don't have answer.
If you need money and you have to take out money from your account, so then what will you do?
Why will I use phone? I will go on account. I will go on.
And you
I will
need-
search ATM
and you need
because I have a debit card. We need a debit card. We don't
Let
need a
me
phone.
complete.
Sir, don't indulge in the stream. You keep on indulging,
First of all,
including. Sorry.
first of all you need money in sir जल्दीबाजी में क्या कहते हैं जल्दी you need money in a hurry, so then what will you
Wait,
do?
man. Wait. Let us speak.
In a hurry you need money, so then what will you do? First will you
I will
go
go
to
on
account?
ATM. I will go on ATM, and I have a debit card, and I will take my money.
Have you listened my answer?
Yes, I have listened your question. First, you are forgetting your lines, man.
Question for
Again.
I'm saying that you need money in a hurry. So how will you take out your money from your phone or your account?
Account. It's common thing.
Will you go?
Because I don't have phone, man. I don't need phone. I have a debit card.
Sometimes ago you have said that you have 2 phones.
I said that it's not mine. I said that it's not mine. I have a laptop. I don't have phone. And whenever I
Don't
need, whenever
say
I need money,
don't say a lie.
Let me complete. How can you say that it's a lie? How can you say that I'm saying a
Sometimes
lie?
ago you have said
I
that
said
you
that-
have 2 phones.
Whenever I take money, I always take money with the help of my debit card. Okay? And if you have any kind of doubt, so you can come with me and I will show you.
let it be now give the mic to Ronak and Laura will ask questions
And you people saying give some mic to other people.
Yes, and I have not.
Anya you have to defend okay
Mobile are more important. Why are people keep on taking laptop? They are not seeing mobile phone. They are seeing laptop. What? For you, mobile are more important. Yes. Why are people keep on taking mobile computer laptop? They are not seeing mobile phone. They are seeing laptop. I have to take laptop. I'm not able to understand your question. Because you don't know this answer. Because you are not able to answer. I am. I have a question and you don't have an answer. I have an answer. Can you repeat one more time? And you need to. You are not able to listening. What? You are not able to listen. I have two eyes and I have ears also. I can listen also. Why are you not listening? Because your team are talking. That's why I'm not able to. Our team or your team? No, right now Slok is talking. In your team. You can see. Who is talking? Slok and Amar. Slok. No, I do not operate a phone. Too much. Why are you in mobile team? Why are you in mobile team? And I do not operate laptop also. So what do you operate? What do you operate? I operate phone. Bolo. I operate phone. So why? But not too much. But not too much. But not too much. Not too much. Yeah. So how did you know that point of mobile phones? I get to know with my mind. I have mind. You don't. Girls have mind in their lab.
Your opinion, okay?
It's not boys' opinion, not my.
So you all are.
Like mad. You are mentalized, not we. What? Ask. The more mobile are more important for you, but people are taking mobile laptop.
कह रहा है कि लोग लैपटॉप ले रहे हैं, मोबाइल ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट। उसी कितने के पास लैपटॉप? उसी कितने के पास लैपटॉप है?
Do you have laptop? Do you have laptop? I am about to take laptop. When? In 1 month or 2 months. So why did you not take before? Why are you taking after 1 or 2 months? Because I have money now, not before. So why are you taking support?
It means laptop is expensive.
It means laptop is expensive. For you, poor people, for computer are not for poor people. What? It is for rich people. It is for rich people. Not like you. Your team is poor people. It doesn't matter with rich or poor.
You know what? Laptop is expensive because they give so many facilities as compared to phone. She doesn't answer. Clap. Let it be. Okay, my question is. Okay. Don't you know mobile phones are enough for students to learn online? You know, if
Means say मोबाइल फोन
Laptop. Mobile phones are.
enough. Means मोबाइल फोन काफी है पढ़ने के लिए।
He is asking.
Don't you know? Repeat your question.
don't you know mobile phones are enough for students to learn online?
I know that.
Have you ever enjoyed movie in laptop like a theater?
No, I don't because I don't want
can
to
wa-
movie
we
because
can-
I don't want to watch movie. If Sweetie was said that laptop has so many facilities. Can she open on torch in her laptop?
You didn't watch movie in you didn't watch any movie.
I don't watch movie.
Okay. So do you
Because
know,
I'm not desirous of. Because I am not desirous of watching movies, I am not fond of watching movies. Can you open torch on your laptop? Can you open torch? I can open torch in my phone.
give mic to Varsha. Who
Why?
watches movie?
Why? She also
You don't.
She
you
also
don't watch
don't
movie. So who watches movie?
She also does not watch movie. Varsha, do you watch movie?
Yeah, I don't watch movie.
You can enjoy movie in
Movie so I can watch in my phone.
you can enjoy movie in phone like a theater.
Yeah, like a theater, yes.
Why?
Firstly, I
Because
don't
phone
watch
has
movie.
phone does not have phone.
Firstly, I am a
large
student.
screen.
I am a student. I
And
don't
laptop
want to
has
watch movie.
a big screen.
I
also want to say that you are a student and you need laptop. Okay, whenever you learn any kind of chapter with the help of your phone, so can
No,
you
I am not.
complete. Yeah, let me complete. Why are you
Yes.
getting hyper? Whenever you write a notes, है ना? So you have to take a phone like in this way and you write, because you are not able to study in a proper way. But I have laptop. I put my laptop and I write, and whenever I want to stop, I stop it and I write. Whenever I stop it and write, because I have facilities, man. You don't have these.
But I am able to join tuition. I can join tuition and I can study from my tuition. I can make
You
notes
said
from
that-
my tuition.
You said that I study in my phone. If you are able to study in your phone, so why do you join?
Who said that?
You said that.
No, I said only
Okay,
that I am a
got your point.
student.
Okay, I got your point. In your school, now there is ICT.
Yes, there is
Don't
ICT.
tell a lie, firstly, because I am also in this school.
I know
Okay? There is ICT. Why? There is ICT because in the future, phone will not be important as laptop, because laptop is a future. Okay.
Your all team
Do you know
members
which type of apps do you operate in a phone?
Which
That type of apps will make with the help of laptop. Do you know or not?
Yes,
You
I-
will say no, because you don't have knowledge about laptop.
Yes, I don't have knowledge about laptop.
You have knowledge. So
No,
do
I
you
don't
know
have.
who makes app?
Who makes up?
Yeah. With the
Which
help
type
of
of
what?
apps?
With the help of what? We makes app with the help of laptop.
In
Are
your
you
team,
able- are you
members able to operate laptop.
Yes.
Does
It depends on mind by mind, man. If you don't have mind, so you will not be able to operate laptop.
you are from laptop. So do you know what is spreadsheet?
Yes, I know.
What is spreadsheet? Can you tell me? What is spreadsheet and what is open file?
You want to say?
You are to. You are.
He's my team member. Say.
Firstly, you have to.
You don't know. It means you don't know. You are from laptop, so you don't know.
He wants to say, that's why
I have.
Firstly, you have to say.
First, you want the answer. It doesn't matter who will give you an answer. He wants to give an answer. That's why he is giving. Give the answer. Don't waste time, man. We don't have a vendor.
There is a link. It is called OpenOffice. So we have to click on a menu, and menu will open, and there is a spreadsheet link. We have to click on that, and there is a spreadsheet, and there is a title bar, and there is a search bar, and there is two components. There is a maximum, average, and minimum. So this is
Azan, let it be, because they are not aware of laptop, so they will not able to understand everything.
You also don't know about this. That's why you gave point.
Okay, now let Ayush come in the picture. Okay, yes, Ayush.
Laptop are expensive. How will you justify the value? I don't know you have any answer this question, because you are in the side of phone.
So why are you asking?
I am asking.
I want to ask something. Please tell me, okay? Please let me complete, okay? Can you take out laptop anywhere?
Yes.
I'm not talking about you. No, if you suppose you are going to in wedding. Suppose
If you have to do coding,
please let me complete. Okay. Suppose you are going in a wedding. Okay. Can you take out laptop there?
yeah, we can.
How can
It's
you
our
say?
choice.
How can you say?
It's our choice. By
I'm
mouth,
not saying
and it's
talking
our
about
choice.
you.
It's our choice. See, I'm not getting hyper. I'm just only standing. See. We can take laptop anywhere, not in washroom. That's another thing. But we can if we
Can you take
if
a
we go
laptop
to
while bathing?
See,
Can you
not
take-
in bathing and washroom. I have said like that.
Okay.
If we have to do editing, if you are in a wedding, so you have to do editing. So you have bought a laptop. You will take out the laptop and code.
Please let me.
As you said that to us, we can't open laptop anywhere. Yes, absolutely.
I did
Let
not,
me say- let
I
me
did
say-
not
let
say
me
that-
ma'am, let me say, give me a time. You are not alone in this room. That you will say everything, whatever you
So
want
you
to
are
say.
not also alone in room.
Let me say. So do you know, a laptop is very, very, very expensive. That's why we don't open.
I don't know because
We have a mind. I know phone is also expensive, but you don't have a like izzat. You don't have a respect of phones.
How can you
Your
say?
parents-
How can you say?
said that
Suppose.
You said, let me answer, man. You said that we can open phone in also. If it will get wet, then you will have to pay money. You will have
If
to
a
pay
laptop
money.
is get wet, so you have to pay money.
I'm also saying that that's why we don't take laptop in our
For a one time we can't repair phone, but you have to repair laptop. I'm talking
You
about
also
laptop.
have to get repaired.
No, we don't need.
Let me say, I also have suffered from this situation. I know very well. One time, my brother was going in the washroom and the phone was get wet. That's why I know.
So he
And we
is able to.
The cost of no laptop you can buy phones.
Yeah.
Sir, you are a biggest teacher in this team. You are always giving the point and I can't say anything because you are a teacher. Sir, you're cheating. You're cheating. You have given so many points. Yes, you should end this term because you are.
If you have anything last, you can say.
So firstly, I tell you that a mobile is a mobile is large as a matchbox, and it is a unnecessary thing, and it is not used for the important thing. And if
Okay, wait. You know, everyone parents don't know how to operate a laptop. That's why they buy a phone. Sorry. Everyone's parents buy phone because they don't know how to operate phone. If they will know that how to operate laptop, so they will buy a laptop, not a phone. Tell me, it's a type of uneducated person. If you have to, let me say, if you have to operate laptop, so you should have a mind and you should be educated person. So what? Sir, okay. What did I say? Sir also has a laptop because he's an educated person. He knows how to laptop.
My mother and father.
Okay,
My mother and father is also educated. They know how to operate. They know how to operate laptop also.
I don't want to say this word, but my answer is that I think they are careless person because if we have laptop, so we need a care. And I think if in your home there is no laptop, that means you are a careless person.
Who said that I am a careless person? Who said that?
I know, man.
I have laptop.
You have laptop. Why do you have laptop? Why do you have laptop? Tell me. Sorry. Why do you have?
I don't have a laptop, but my father has
you have laptop,
for,
now you are
for
saying
doing work. No, my father doesn't use the laptops that much, but they use mobile phone also.
Now you said
So
that
that
you have laptop.
Let's end up this debate. Okay. Now, if you have something to say. Okay, everyone. So let's end up this debate. If you have something to say in the last, so you can go for it. Do you have anything?
Yes, sir. Please like and subscribe the video and hit
Don't-
the button.
Don't just always say like the video and subscribe the video. Say the people to just be connected and they should listen to us what we are talking about. They should also give some suggestions.
And if you also want to speak like us, so you should join Inside Academy. And what do you want?
and you should share our channel and be educated. Jai Hind.
Bye.